What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are I think I should actually timestamp these things with the date. So today it happens to be August 21st, 2024. We had some great data that came out today. Job numbers were revised based off companies and their tax forms. So 800 and some odd thousand jobs revised down. The U.S. economy is in shambles, and the Fed didn't know. This is almost as bad as Euro Trip when Scotty didn't know. Anyways, those of you who don't understand the reference, you're probably lucky. But let's go ahead and check out Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, because those are the ones Wall Street are, well, Bitcoin and Ethereum, they have the spot ETFs. Solana, they are trying to get the spot ETF, but one has already been rejected. Either way, you know Wall Street's still staring at it. And we're going to go through these as if we were trying to invest long term. We're looking at the daily and the weekly. That's really what I'm saying. Also, I really want to put this out there. If you don't have a home in order to trade your crypto in, definitely check out our partners, Fairdesk and Jumpex, both of which great places to do some trading, do some buying, do some selling. The opportunity is out there, and if you are new to the space and you are not confident in your trading capabilities and you would like to support the channel in a fantastic way, not only make an account over on either Fairdesk or Jumpex, but join me in copy trading. Look for Porky Flounder 65 and you can join me for some copy trades. The caveat in there, why it supports the channel, is because it is a 90-10 split. I do the trading, you get 90% of any winning trade, I get 10% as a commission, and we all are happy. Noted, only put in there what you're willing to lose. I usually say start with as low as $100, and let's see if we can get some money together. But if I lose a trade, we both lose a trade. If I win a trade, we both win, baby. Anyways, shameless plug over. Checking out Bitcoin on the weekly. You can see 2 weeks ago, we backtested our 50 simple moving average, which was fantastic. Now we're just dealing with this heart line from previous all-time highs. Not able to break above it just yet, but if this week continues the way that it is for the next 3 days and 21 hours, then we could see a bullish candle, but we really want this candle to engulf that candle. That would be fantastic. Anyways, coming down to your daily time frame. By the way, make sure that you like and subscribe to this video if you do like this type of content, and leave a comment. Let me know if you like this style of content, because if I don't need to do this, I won't. Anyways, coming back into these three coins every day, every other day, they don't move that much. It's kind of rough. But checking out your daily, looking at this, now we can objectively say we have been getting sold off with the 50 simple moving average on the daily for Bitcoin. There is one saving grace here. This is rounding out, so there is some strong accumulation happening here, which I do like to see. If this is some form of cup that is forming, then, you know, we could handle it out, some situation. Maybe we backtest the bottom of this channel again one more time. Maybe we just backtest this low right here at 58,679, maybe. Or everyone realizes the Fed is about to have to cut rates substantially, and we see Bitcoin blast off to the moon. Needless to say, if Bitcoin does blast off, we would be looking at a very substantial move, with the idea of this being a bull flag. So with that idea in mind, we'd be looking at something kind of like this, because you can see we do have this downtrending level of resistance, and then this would just be coming out possibly right here, which could lead to Bitcoin hitting six figures, 100,000. Nice even number too. Wow, it's like they might be planning it. Anyways, that's what I see out of Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and check out Ethereum next. So checking out Ethereum on the weekly, Ethereum still looking meh. It just looks weak. It doesn't, it's not great. I feel like Grayscale is getting the best of this particular asset with their sell pressure. be warned, they also have a Solana trust. Be warned, they also have an XRP trust, I believe. I need to double check that. But yeah, they have a Solana trust too. So when Solana finally does get its ETF, well, you can see what happened here. We all know what happened to Bitcoin. Grayscale holds a lot of crypto, and they sell often. Anyways, on your weekly for Ethereum, we're sitting in neutral territory or not neutral. We're in the bearish control zone when it comes to relative strength, but you can see on the MACD, we are showing our first sign of sell pressure weakening. You can see the stochastic is trying to curve to the upside. Checking out your daily. Your daily looks awful. It looks so bad. The only saving grace that Ethereum has is the fact that you are holding support above this 25.15 level. If you lose that level very quickly, you could see 18.87. Let's all hope and pray that doesn't happen. But for Ethereum, it's just underperforming at the moment, partially because of Grayscale, partially because of gas fees, all of it because it's proof of stake, and people controlling the network have the most coins. It's not ideal in my eyes. I'm not a fan. Noted that is with most assets in general. People who have the most control the most because they can move the prices, but I think Ethereum is that special one where it's like, you have the gas fees that are really high on top. There's a bunch of things that I think could be done better, but it is what it is. That's why I think also a lot of people are looking at Solana. So, yeah. Anyways, currently Ethereum, if we do see a rally, we could see something moving up to its 50 simple moving average on the daily, which currently is a 14.6% upside target if it can catch some bids. Just doesn't seem like there's that much enthusiasm when it comes to Ethereum. Noted, there could be tons of accumulation happening over the counter. We don't see that in the price action, so we just kind of have to wait and see for the supply to actually go down enough for them to decide, let's start moving the price up. Or we need Bitcoin to rally in a massive way. One or the other. Now, let's go ahead and check out Solana. Solana definitely looks great. You're sitting in a bull flag. It's just the longer we sit at this level, it doesn't look nearly as good, in my opinion. I'm saying opinion. The technicals are sound. Technicals say we're going to go up. I mean, weekly we're sitting in neutral territory, low stochastic, trying to curve to the upside. The MACD isn't quite giving me that much to go off of for the weekly. So let's drop down to the daily. On your daily is giving you a lot better look. Oh man, a lot better look. But once again, Grayscale is selling this. Or I don't know if Grayscale is selling this off. I actually don't have any idea who would want to suppress the price of Solana, if I'm being honest, but people are accumulating. That's why the price is going sideways. Just accumulation. Stochastic is actually getting low. It looks better stochastically than both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Because it's so low, it gives it a little more room to run. But relative strength, are we sitting underneath our trend line? We are underneath our trend line. That's not ideal. Not ideal. But if we look at our MACD is definitely looking like it wants to get its first green candle. Really wants to do it. So it could be a little bit like Bitcoin in that aspect. So on the daily, I still have hope. We just have to maintain in this little channel. That would be great, because if we can maintain long enough, then we start seeing some bids come in. We could see a beautiful rally, possibly up to $252. So that is what I see out of these three particular tokens. Please do me a favor. If you do like this style content, please hit a like on the video. That'd be great. If you're not subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. Also, in the description down below, you can find links not only to Fairdesk and Jumpex, but you can also find a link to where I live stream on Twitch and the Discord, so you can join the community and get notified every time I go live, post a video, or see a great trade setup that could catch your guys' interest. We're out here just trying to make some tendies, trying to ride the waves of these whales. But just a small streamer or YouTuber, whatever I am, just a small guy out here trying to make a dollar. If you do enjoy this, join the community. If not, I mean, hey, all of us have bad taste every once in a while. It's fine. But I will catch you in the next one. Take it easy. Make sure the stop losses are tight. Let's get out there and let's make some money. I'll catch you in the next one.